Hi there, welcome back to my channel. It's Lee here. Today let's talk about investment pieces in our wardrobe. This year I'm doing low buy 2024. I'm trying to slow down my shopping and spend more time and energy on the pieces I already have in my wardrobe. This is a video of reflection on my wardrobe. What kind of investment pieces I already have in my wardrobe. If you would like to your dream wardrobe in the long term, and if you would like to shop more sustainably, or if you like to get inspiration about what would be your investment pieces, please watch this video. Now, first thing first, what is investment piece? Investment piece for me is not a designer handbag I have bought 3-4 years ago and now retail price has been doubled or tripled. I haven't used only twice. Investment pieces, I'm talking the good quality pieces. I have been using them for many years, using them again and again. I've been enjoying using them and they serve the purpose. I may have spent a little bit more money to purchase them. After so many years, the cost per wear becomes so low. I have found 8 investment pieces in my wardrobe. I have been wearing them at least 10 years up to 17 years. Let me show them one by one. The first 2 pieces are 2 tops. One sleeveless black top and another one is long sleeve top. They both were made of knitted linen. I have been wearing them nearly 13 years. They are breathable and very comfortable. They are elevated basics. They are simple tops, but they add these interesting details and they look more interesting. The purple one has ruffle details and the black one has a waterfall front. Do you know linen is 3 times durable than cotton? So over 10-13 years, they have a little hole and I mended it and I'm going to wearing them again. The black one, because it's so long and I want to give it a new look, so I cut it short. And so I can wear it like a cropped top. It's more versatile. These 2 pieces are become my investment pieces because they are made of breathable and durable material. So they will last long and they are very comfortable to wear. They are not too tight. They have they are not too tight, so they tolerate my weight fluctuation. If I put some weight or I lose some weight, these tops still fit me. The third point are because they are the cuts and the color are suitable for me. Black and lilac are just the right colors for me. I'm so enjoying wearing them. I bought them with discount, so each piece didn't cost more than 20 euro. The next investment piece in my wardrobe is a pair of white leg trousers. It's from the German eco brand Waschbär. Waschbär means a raccoon. It has this beautiful tag, and this trousers was made of 50% cotton blended with 50% linen. It's very comfortable and this light color is absolutely my color. I bought this pair of trousers in a Waschbär outlet in Freiburg and I paid €9.90. So the reason I can wear these trousers so often and so many years is, first, it's made of a good quality material, linen blended with cotton. And the second is a wide leg, so it's so comfortable to wear. And the third reason, it has elastic band on the back of the waistline. So it also tolerates the fluctuation of my weight. If I put some weight or during Christmas, I want to eat a lot and I can wear this pair of trousers. So it's so comfortable, and I call it my eating a lot trousers. It has a pocket. I love trousers with pockets, and the color is so beautiful. Absolutely my color, and this visible white decorative stitching, they are so beautiful. The fourth investment piece in my wardrobe is a outdoor jacket from Jack's Wolf Skin. It has a fleece lining jacket and outer waterproof jacket with hoodie. They're just so functional, and I can wear these jackets all the year around. If it's cold, and it keeps me warm, and when it's raining, and I don't need an umbrella because in the UK it's so windy. It's just practical have a waterproof rain jacket with hoodie and just go out of the door. And also this jacket has so many functional pockets, and for the phone, for the wallet. I've been wearing this jacket nearly 13 years. Unfortunately, I put the jacket into the washing machine a few times, which speed up the damage of the waterproof coating of the jacket. Yeah, if I would know, I will not wash this jacket. I will just do some sport treatments. I know some of my German friends, they have never get their outdoor jackets cleaned or washed, so they can wear this jacket like forever. So I have bought this jacket new 13 years ago. I paid nearly 200 euro. It was a lot of money at that time. But in the long term, the cost per wear is so low now. The fifth investment piece from my wardrobe is a pair of shoes, a pair of hiking shoes from the company Lowa. I've been wearing it nearly 12 years. I've been wearing it not only for hiking, also for going to the park, for raining days, for do gardening. It has a high, the shoes have a high soles, and they are good quality shoes, and they are repairable shoes. I may get the soles replaced. I can wear them another few years. I bought them new, and I paid nearly 140 euro, worth the money. They are comfortable to wear, and they keep my feet warm and dry. I have only one pair of sunglasses here. It's from the brand Kenzo, made in France, and I have bought in TK Maxx in Berlin, and I've been wearing it nearly 13 years. I paid 55 euro at that time. It's become my favorite, and it's my only sunglasses, I think, because the color, the shape, this shape, I like it, and also the color, this dark burgundy red, and this blue, and this dark black color. They are absolutely my colors. I have this one pair of sunglasses, and I think that's enough. I'm enjoying it. The last but not the least, two investment pieces in my wardrobe are two scarves. One is yellow. It's a present from a friend, and it's made of silk and a wool blend. It's actually very sunny colored yellow, and it makes me happy in winter to see this kind of color. I've been wearing this for 15 years. If I'm not wearing this scarf, then I'm wearing this scarf. This scarf, I have shown you the previous 7 pieces, the price and how many years I've been using them. This beats them all. This I've been wearing 17 years, and I paid 10 Chinese yuan. It equals €1, $1.50. Also a lot of sentimental value. I've got this on a market in Lhasa in Tibet. So after I got this, and I was hiking in a very high mountain in the Tibet. Scarf has kept me warm and also accompanied my journey to the high mountain adventure when I was young. So the material is unknown, but it's very soft. And this paisley pattern and this color is also my color. So I can wear. I use it as a scarf, or I use it when I breastfeeding my baby, and I use it as a cover and a baggy. Yeah, it's a multi-purpose. So these are these 8 investment pieces I'd like to show you. They remind me of what kind of pieces I like to add to my wardrobe. I like to add to my wardrobe the pieces like these 8 pieces, and so I can use them often and for many years. What do you think an investment piece is, and what are your investment pieces in your wardrobe? I'd like to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Take care. Until next video. Bye bye.